Bronco. Bronco, get down. Come here. Stop. Oh my goodness. No. What's going up, guys? So I ordered a bunch of stuff for the S13. I ordered a bunch of R32 controllable arms. So all the parts came in. Let's jump right into it and open this box. And thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so I got the coolest knife I could find. My brother got this for a friend. It's actually a pretty solid knife. I don't know what brand it is. Elk Ridge. I don't know exactly where this box is from. Somewhere in the Asia area. I don't think it's from Japan, but it might be. Oh, would you look at that? Jolly. Boxes and boxes.
Well, boxes and boxes.
Oh my god. Boxes inside of boxes.
Good fire starter.
Oh yeah, we got tons now. Oh dude, Camber arms. So this kit's for an R32 Skyline, but I got it because I know they're all the same. Oh jolly, there's bubble wrap. This thing's actually this is nicer than I thought. It's heavier than I thought too. Okay, next one. Oh my god. Here's the traction arms. Front tension rods. Dude, this was a really good deal. I'm kind of glad I got this one instead of buying all the pieces. Now I'm just getting, I don't even know anymore. Okay, size everything. Bolts. So yeah, let's try to get this crap open. I'll just take one out of each so I don't have to unwrap everything. So here's the camber arm. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know what this rubber. The last ones did not have the rubber thing. That's kind of cool. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. So these are the ISR, Godspeed, whatever you want to call them. They're all the same. It's the Hot Boy kit. Jesus, they really don't want you to get into this stuff. And here's the front tension rods, which is the whole reason I bought this kit. I guess they didn't come with bolts, so I'm gonna have to go buy those, but pretty nice. This is way better than those. They look like engine mounts on the 240s on the traction bars. So this is gonna be more reliable, hopefully. So I guess these boots just cover them up so they don't get dirt and stuff in there, which is kind of nice. It's gonna be fun cleaning up. So there we go. So this is a full kit. I guess we'll do a install video and get that up. And I mean, this stuff just looks so good. It doesn't feel cheap. The welds, yeah, they're not the best, but they're definitely in there. They're definitely gonna hold. I mean, the quality's not bad. They look better than the old ones they used to make. The paint kind of reminds me of the moped, so it's always nice. And then I'll get a comparison up of each of the stock ones compared to these, so you guys can get an idea of why I got them. Yeah, there's more to come, so I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.